Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Saxena and I am today starting the new series for Git and GitHub. So today I am going to tell you how to install Git in your Windows system. So first of all, we just know about the Git. What is the Git? So Git is the free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from a small to very large project with speed and efficiency. So Git is the version control software that runs locally on your machine, and you don't need to register for an account and you don't need to the internet to use it. That means it's run on a local in your system, so you can use Git without ever touching GitHub. Okay, so first of all, what is the version control? So version control is a software that tracks and manage changes to files over time, and version control system generally allows users to revisit earlier version of the files, compare changes between versions, undo changes, and a whole lot more. So so now we just install the Git. So for installing the Git, we just go to the that website. So I'm just copy this link here and go to my Chrome and hit the enter, and there is the official Git website. I'm just click here to download the latest version 2.3 2.31.0 64-bit version of Windows. So here the my download is we right now here. That's take 14 to 30 seconds. Once the setup is downloaded, we just go for the location and install in our system. So I'm just waiting for my complete download here. Okay, so right now you see the application in downloaded in our download folder here. So we just go to there and just double click on the exe. So right now I'm just clicking on the exe. So okay, that is the first interface of the Git application. Just go to here and click to next. That is the our location of where the Git is installed in our system. Then go to the next, choose default setting with next, 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 then next, and then next, and next, and next install. So right now you see here I'm just installing Git 2.31.0 setup version. So this setup installed right now installing in my system. Currently the process is going on. So we just check out the other things about the Git. So there is a two ways to using the Git, using your command line or using a Git bash. So what is the Git bash and why we using? So bash is a command line interface that is widely used by the developer, and it is the default shell for Linux and Mac. That means if you are using the Linux system or Mac system, the default terminal is supported by the Git bash. Okay, so in Windows come with the different default command line interface called command prompt. Like here I'm just go to the run command and type the command and run command and just type here command cmd and hit the OK button, and that is the command line interface. That is a command prompt. Okay, So for this this course I am using the command line for git using. Okay, so git bash is a tool that emulates a bash experience on a Windows machine. If you are background of the Linux system or Windows or Unix system, so if you want to take the experience of the bash command, you just go to the bash. Okay, so right now we just installing the git in our system, so we just check the git version. So we just type the command and hit the enter button, and we just type here git and dash dash and version. Okay, so right now you see here we just installing the git version 2.31.0 for Windows. Okay, thank you for my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for more updates.